You have tried all you can to remove that stain from your teeth. It be like you no wan comot. You only reason am say e be like say make I go meet dentist. Dentist wey go collect some kind of amount, you know. But I tell you, try this method first. Yes, this thing works. Now, let's move to the next solution, which is lemon. When your teeth is white, it gives you that confidence. Like you can boldly talk to anybody, smile, and they'll be like, oh, nice, I like that teeth. But you are still thinking, all this remedy will work. I have plenty. We pile it up. Watch this next solution. Don't be a doubting Thomas. Use it. Try it. In case you're wondering how can I get this recipe, oga, Google it, madam, Google it. Check the names. Go and get it in the market. Arrange it yourself. Yes, prepare it yourself so that you can be using it every day. Then you get the results. No be one day, no be magic. You only get 2 seconds. Because it's 2 seconds. The thing is, the more you use it, the more you understand everything go dey, the germs and everything go dey clear small. And it works. Yes, tested and trusted. This one no be say dem say o. And in case you that you are watching me, you have your own recipe, natural recipe that you've used and it worked, and you feel like you want to share it to everybody so that we can all benefit from it, don't forget, drop in the comment section and we'll make our research and publish it out there. See you guys next time. The next time I want to see you.